Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to talk a little bit about the user interface of VisualCAMc. It has been progressively developing, as the months go along, and since we've released this new plugin for Onshape this year, so you'll see new things being added on a regular basis. So to operate, if you're familiar, by the way, if you're familiar with MecSoft's desktop programs such as Visual Mill, VisualCAD-CAM, RhinoCam, VisualCAM for SolidWorks, or LibreCAM, you'll see some major similarities in how the workflow progresses. The toolpaths are very similar to our desktop application. A lot of the parameters are very similar. If you've used a MecSoft product previously, you'll be really easy getting started on VisualCAMc. So we have the main VisualCAMc toolbar at the top, where we have our home tab for loading and saving, preferences, accessing the online help. We have a mill tab where you can go through the process of setting up your part and programming it for your CNC machine. All you have to do is start from left to right and work your way across, and we'll show you the basics of that in just a moment. And we also have an Analyze tab that is really neat, and we're going to talk about that. Let's go ahead and go to the Home tab. And then on the left here, we have the machining browser. So all of your toolpath operations, when you create them, will be listed in under your machining job. And you also have a tools tab and a machining job tab. So we have on the tools tab, we have the tools in the current document, which we don't have any yet. And we have tools in the current default library. We have a couple of tools in there, but we're going to be creating the tools we need for this document. So let's go ahead and go over to the machining job tab. And over here on the right is the main VisualCAMc display where you can look at your part. You can use the view heads-up toolbar here at the top for viewing. And you also have some toggles over here for displaying the stock, the part, the toolpath, the triads.